Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and in tech news, a judge ordered Ring to turn over footage not from the people involved with a particular case, but one of their neighbors who had nothing to do with the case. They had to turn over footage. Ring had to provide that footage from the neighbor's house, from inside their house. That footage was turned over. This has happened. Precedent has now been set. So this got me thinking. There are reasons that you probably want to rethink having security cameras, or let's phrase it this way. Security cameras, security in quotes, air quotes, big air quotes, installed inside your house or using them inside your house. One, this has happened, precedent. You may not have anything to do with what's happening next door, but if something possibly could provide evidence for a case one way or another, that footage might be requisitioned and basically pulled off of your cloud. It's not really your cloud, the shared cloud, and away from you, out of your control, but you decided to have those cameras inside your house. All right. Number two, the bigger issue that I have found with the security cameras that I've seen is that you never really know who's accessing your cameras and when. Who cares about why necessarily, but when are they accessing, who's accessing it, and maybe the software details that to a certain degree, but if you're using things like wireless cameras, you don't think traffic has been intercepted before over the air? Yeah, that's never happened at all? Really? You sure about that? No, you think you've got it locked down? Really? You pretty sure? How confident are you in the security of your security cameras? How do you feel? It's more like security theater. So use cameras, absolutely, but inside the house, you got to think about what you are doing inside the house when you think that nobody might be watching, because someone might be watching. Inevitably, that's the way the world works these days. Someone is always watching. And the third reason is that the next security loophole is right around the corner. It's going to happen if it hasn't already happened. In fact, some companies have been busted for not disclosing loopholes that have happened. So there are at least three solid reasons why you've got to reconsider putting these security cameras inside your home. And we were ideating other reasons over here tonight on live.pirillo.com.